School culture is an interesting thing, isn't it? And I think in 2022 it's become more important than ever. And I think we also kind of know that. But what's interesting is that when I ask people, is school culture important? Everybody puts their hands up. But when I ask them if they know what it is, a lot of hands go down. We get a bit nervous. We're not quite sure what it is that we're talking about. And if we're not quite sure what it is, how do we work on it? This is something that I'm going to solve for you in a workshop called Leading School Culture. I really hope you'll come along, because we're going to first of all provide you with a really clear working definition for school culture, and then we're going to do that piece about getting to work. We're going to examine your work focus in that area. We're going to examine your influence in that area, and we're going to examine what's possible in your school if we tilt the odds in the favour of all of your stakeholders being successful. So this is an investment in the culture of your school, if you think that's important. But the way we're going to do that is to invest through you. A lot of reflection and a lot of opportunity for you to make some changes that when you get back to your school are going to be transformative in nature. I'll see you there.